Hello there, hello there. I'm excited to have you here. Thanks for being part of the iSenseHUB family. Today, I am here to help you transform your productivity with iSenseHUB, the ultimate user-friendly all-in-one productivity platform that gives you real value for money. iSenseHUB is here to help you maximize your output with a minimum effort. And today, I am here to introduce you to one of the utility tools on the iSenseHUB platform. And we're going to be talking about the AI ReWriter. This tool is so powerful, and I love the fact that it is very simple and it's basically about one click or two clicks, and you can transcribe or translate your content from multiple languages. Let's say you're a business owner, you receive an email from someone. Let's say you speak just English, like myself, and you receive an email from someone in France and they speak French. You can literally just copy that email and quickly translate that into the language that you prefer, and you can do vice versa. So let's quickly jump into the AI rewriter. On the dashboard, you make your way through the tools. We have a lot of tools, right? So don't be confused. Make your way to the AI rewriter. This is the tool we're going to be talking about today. So once you click on that, this page opens. It's very simple, and it's easy for you to work your way through. I have a content that I actually created a few minutes ago. Let me see if I can find that. Okay, this is not the one I wanted to use. I want something that's very okay, yeah, I'll use this one. Okay, all right. So I prepared this content earlier. It is in English. So let's quickly try to translate this into a different language. So when I copy this, just paste over here, right? You can generate any content with AI, copy and paste it over here. If you don't like the original content, you can actually rewrite it here. But here, it's, as I said, it's a simple platform. So you paste or you type your content in the description here. Over here, you get the option of choosing the mode of communication. If you want it to be professional, yes, you just stick to professional. If you want it to be funny, casual, exciting, if you want it to be feminine, masculine, you want it to be bold, you have all these options that you can choose from, okay, just to customize your content to fit your need, okay? So don't forget, it is not all the time that you need to be professional, depending upon your audience. Sometimes it is good to be just casual, a bit funny, throw some dynamism in your communication or how you communicate with your um, audience. Make it dynamic. Sometimes you can make a blend of professional and funny. Sometimes you're casual. Sometimes you're sarcastic. All of this keeps people to be engaged on your platform. Okay, but today I'm gonna stick to professional, and because the content is already in English, I'm gonna try and translate that to a different language. And probably I'm gonna choose French. Okay, so I'm trying to translate this into French. All I have to do is click generate. I paste over here, I choose the mode of communication, and then I choose a language. That is all you need to do, okay? There you go. It is working behind the scene, and you see it's actually rewriting the content for you in a professional tone, but in the French language. If you were to choose any other language, any other tone is going to be communicated or rewriting the content in that tone and whichever language you choose. It is as simple as just selecting your preferred options here. So this is done, right? This is rewritten into French. I'm going to copy this just to try something. I'll copy this and try to rewrite this back into English. So what is just rewritten here, I copied it and I'm going to try to rewrite this in English. I live in the US, so I'm going to choose the US English. If you live in the UK, you can choose the UK. I'm going to stick with the US English, okay? And this time I want it to be a bit funny, so I'm going to choose funny and see what we get from that. So here you go. This is being, the title was basically the same thing, so it just rewritten a little bit. But you see that the AI writer gives you a lot of flexibility to help you communicate your message to whatever audience you have. It doesn't even matter the language, because you have the options here to choose from over 40 languages. So this is a utility tool that most people use on the iSenseHUB platform. And I just want to introduce you to that. Sometimes you might have a content that is copied from another person's platform. I'm not encouraging you to go copying other people's content, but assuming that is what happened, let's say you copy the content from a different website or different platform, you can quickly rewrite that content here using your own tone, your preferred tone, and your language. And this is an easier way of getting your content to your audience. So thank you for being here. Please continue to work your way through the tutorials. These tutorials are here to help you. Don't forget that in iSenseHUB, just the tools that you have in MS Word that you use to edit your content in Word, you can do the same things over here, right? You can literally highlight the title and make it bold and underline. You can do that right here. You can highlight this and change sorry about that. You can highlight this and change the color, right? You can change to something else. It works. This is not a good color to choose, but that is what I chose. Probably I'm gonna do something that is like blue. Yeah, so you can change your color over here. You can actually rewrite this. So this has been rewritten, okay, in the original language. So that is one thing you need to be mindful of, okay? But you can undo this right here, as I said, undo. So it's back to what it used to be. This is literally like Word. So just instead of just copying your content and going put it in Word, MS Word, and trying to edit it in MS Word, you can do that right here. You can undo, you can redo, all these options available. You can download here in Word or HTML. You can also copy right here. Okay, you can regenerate from here, and you have so many options. You can make it. You can, literally, I just changed this. Obviously, this is too large, and that is not the right size to choose. But that is what I choose. You have the options to block square, paragraph, all of these options available. You can align this, justify this, right? Have it justified so that it will be in straight line. You can have it left align, right align. You can have it in center. All of this works. So this is like MS Word. And it's not only the AI writer that has that, ReWriter that has that option. All our writing tools in AI editor and AI writer, they do the same thing. You have the editing option functionality right within iSenseHUB. So make use of it. This is here to help you maximize your output with minimum effort. Thank you very much for being here. We'll continue to record some other video, working your way through it, and please continue to use the iSenseHUB platform to empower yourself and your audience. Thank you. I'm seeing you on another video. Have a great day.